Welcome to the Vollis Simpson Whirligig Park in Wilson, North Carolina. This is a free 2-acre park that displays 30 pieces of work from the late outsider folk artist, veteran, and farmer, though he had a few more trades over his 94 years, Vollis Simpson. This park has a central lawn amphitheater, a large park shelter, and a few benches and picnic tables. Events are held here throughout the year, including a farmers and artisan market, educational programs, and fundraisers. Across the street, there is a museum and gift shop for Simpson and his work and the timeline of the park project. See the links below for the park's main page, the Wikipedia page on Vollis Simpson himself, a documentary video on Simpson by Warner & Company, a link to their donate page, and even a link to the law practice office across the street's live webcam if you want to see what's happening right now, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.